Hey there everyone, I hope you're having a great day, and with that, let's get on with the tutorial. So today we'll be taking a look at how you can achieve the best possible sound quality from your microphone. And it's fairly simple, it's beginners friendly. So there won't be any problem with you following the tutorial. I'll make it as simple as I can, and if you want, you can always rewind the video if you get lost. So let's get on with the video. The first thing that you'll need is Audacity, and it's a free software. You can download it from the website. I'll leave the link down in the description. You can download it from over there, and also if you want to just type the website, it's over here, audacityteam.org. Once you're over at the web page, go over here and click on the download Audacity. Over here, click on download Audacity for Windows. You'll be forwarded to the web page over here, and all you need to do is click on Audacity Windows installer. If you're on Mac OS, click on Mac OS DMG, or if you're on Linux, click on Linux source. For me, or even for you, most probably you will all be on Windows. So yeah, click on the download Audacity for Windows installer. I already downloaded and installed it, so I won't be doing it again. But once you have downloaded the Audacity, all you need to do is run the installer, and a shortcut will be created on your desktop. You can open up the Audacity program from over there, or if not, you can search it in the taskbar. The icon will be something like this. Open up the Audacity software. You'll met with this GUI. It's pretty simple, don't get intimidated. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is to set up your microphone. As you can see over here, the microphone icon on the right side, you need to select your microphone. Yours might be anything. For me, in this case, I'm using the microphone, which is the default microphone which I got from the laptop itself. So yeah, and the second thing is your hearing device from which you will hear the sound, and I've also selected mine. Don't forget to check yours, because sometimes it happens that people don't set their audio devices properly. And over here you can see the red icon. It's for recording your sound. So firstly, we'll be testing out how my mic sounds before I do anything. Okay, let's check the sound quality. Hello, check 1 2 1 2. So as you can see over at this portion, the 5-second portion, it's very necessary that you take a 5-second pause in between so that you can capture as much background noise as possible. So let's hear the audio first. Hello, check 1 2 1 2. So as you just heard, there's a bit of background noise and also the mouse clicks. So let's try to remove them. The first thing that you need to do is you'll need to click on the portion over here, the complete blank portion. What it'll do is it will select the whole track. Then you need to head over effects, then click on graphic equalization, then or you'll be met with this thing. All you need to do is click on the manage, then factory presets, tap on bass boost. Okay, wait for it to apply, then again click on effect, graphic equalization, manage, factory presets. Then this time you need to select treble boost. This will make your voice much clearer and better for the person to hear. And then click on OK so that we apply the settings. Then moving forward, we need to now normalize. We'll be heading towards effect, normalize, then just click OK. We don't need to change anything over here. Then now we need to select the 5-second portion. Then we need to remove or analyze the background noise. Now this we could do by just going to noise reduction tab over here, get noise profile, wait for it to get the noise profile, and then once you have analyzed the noise or you have got the noise profile, then you need to do is click on the empty space over here again to select the whole track. Click on effect, noise reduction, and click OK. Now as you can see, the waves over here are tremendously low and better, which means you would be getting much more clearer quality sound. Okay, so now let's try it out. Let's see how it sounds. Hello, check 1 2 1 2. So as you just heard, the voice quality is tremendously better from before, and this is all because of these few tiny steps, and they were also easy. So you can also do it. There's nothing hard at all. If you want, you can rewatch this video. If you don't understand anything, you can also ask me in comments. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Spread some knowledge, right? Well, see you in the next one.